Took a break, played some games, got some chores done, and we're back. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see. Let's get our master server. Let's get our master server up. Let's connect our client. So at this point, we want to start moving abilities and units into the build UI. Now, before that, we need to make this work when the selected race changes. So, on selected race changed. Okay, update the visible units in top bar. We want to set a build active. Set active build, okay. Let's see if that's enough or if we need more code. Alright, so we have a build here for the humans, and we changed to undead. Set active build. Set active build, where are you? Okay. Might want to call that. So we're updating the drop down, that's good. But this should happen, let's see, set a build active, set active build, update build name input field, else build name input field dot text equals empty. That's what we want. Okay, so change it to 5, go to undead. Okay, why didn't that update? Save that. Oh, hold on. Set a build active. Where is that? Okay. I think this could be simplified. So that could be a null build. Because we might not have a build for a race. And I don't want to seed the database with a bunch of empty builds. That's... no. So when we change to undead, there we go. We got nothing. Let's create a new build. Good. Switch back to humans. We got build 3. Good. Switch to 5. Go back to undead. It switches to undead. Go back to humans. We're back on build 3. Very nice. Now I can delete this build. And we got nothing here. Switch back to humans. Looks good. Switch back to undead. This is perfect. That's exactly what I want. Now, I realize that save build has a problem. Save build. We want to set the current selected build name equal to the build name input field.text before we send it off. Otherwise, we'll never pull in the data from the input field. Okay, so that's that. Let's see, what's next? So we got that working. Let's take a look. I think unit abilities might be the easiest thing to work on. And then we can update unit costs and that kind of thing. Because the actual cards themselves, that's going to be kind of tricky. So right now we've got a cost being displayed. If we right click the human warrior, get the health potion. Now, let's see. This has a button, and this. Okay, we need to make it possible to track the selected abilities here. Ability preview element clicked. That's going to go up to the ability preview loader. Let's go ahead and close everything but the build UI. Looking for the UI preview element loader. Is that what we want? preview element, yep. Now we're listening to that, yep. If current selected build not equal null, ability preview element. We've got a unit ability, so we've got full access to all the data there. Okay, so let's go to our build here. Public void add ability, string ability name. If unabilities dot contains ability name false, unit abilities. Okay, so the way we got to do this is abilities list. Yeah. So the reason we have to do that is because of this serialization stuff here. What we do is we grab a copy of the list, we add it, and then we re-serialize the information. So here equals unit abilities list dot add ability name. And then we do let's see what we're doing here. So we're actually calling the manual serialization. Interesting. Unit abilities data equals JSON convert serialized object abilities list. Yeah. Remove abilities, string ability name. You just copy this. Get rid of that false check there. Remove and reserialize. Okay, public void. Might as well do these helper functions as well. Add unit quantity. Add unit type. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically just increase it by 1 or insert it if it doesn't exist. So if units dot contains key unit type. So if we already have it, then we get the record. Units dot record dot no. Units at unit type. It's been so long since I've looked at the dictionary. Equal units unit type plus 1. Plus equal 1. That works. Okay. Well, it would be a while before we test this anyway. So if it already exists, we increase it by 1. Else, units.add new, add unit type and 1. And then we just units equal unit data. Is it units data? Oh. JSON convert serialize object units. Remove unit type. We can't fall below 0 here. Current value minus equal 1 if current value is less than 1, then just remove the entry. So units dot remove unit type. There we go. Wait, no, I could just do. Jesus. Okay, stupid. Units at unit type minus equal. God, can I type minus equal 1 if this is now less than 1? Remove it. Else, well, for removal, we need the record to exist. So there's no else statement there. So that's done. Okay. I think that's good. Get rid of these brackets, clean this up a little bit. Oops, oh, please don't. Okay. Oh, it did it, didn't it? God damn it. Fuck off, Steam. Okay, here we go. Okay. get rid of this. Currently selected build, add ability, ability preview element, unit ability, ability name. Okay. Now, how do we want to listen to build changed events? Fine, we'll do some goddamn events in here. Public event, build, changed. Public event, action, build changed. Okay. Void trigger, build changed event. Declare handler equal build changed. Handler. All right. I'm just gonna, I could do this more intelligently, but it doesn't really matter that much. So I'm just gonna call at the end of all of these functions. Now here, when we set active build, currently selected build dot build changed plus equal on build changed. Get rid of that. Okay, here let's unlisten to the event. Currently selected build dot not equal null. And currently selected build dot build changed minus equal on build changed. So just in case, then we set it, then we listen, then we do everything else. So here we're going to debug.log build changed. So what I'm hoping for is that when we click the element, we get a build changed event. That's the idea. It's nice kind of working client side for a little bit, not having to constantly push stuff over. Okay, let's log in. Right click on the human, build changed. Okay, nice. You know, what's weird about this is a button. It has no transition. What image are we doing on this? It's that, okay. There's no hover. Okay, so let's make that a permanent change. UI ability preview element. Let's take a look at that. We want color tint. We got the normal color. Let's bring it down a little bit. Then we got our highlight color. That's going to be really bright. We can bring this up a little bit. And the target graphic is going to be this. Let's hit apply on that. So otherwise, people won't know that it's a button if it doesn't behave like a button. So we got the build change notification. That's good. Okay, so we're going to have some functions here. Let's see, do we have any template functions? No. Okay. So we're going to have some functions here. Void update, build, void update or refresh. No, update is fine. Come on, update enabled abilities. Void update unit or update selected unit cards. So we're going to call these two functions anytime the build changes. So when we add remove an ability or add remove a unit type and quantity. One sec, be right back. Moved some laundry over, had a snack. Alright, where are we at? Right. So we've got this ability preview element loader. No, that's not what we want. We have a different UI thing. Let's see. There's something that handles just the ability previews, yeah. Let's see. Ability preview element loader, that's one thing. Ability selection, selected unit abilities. I thought I had something for this. Did I not finish that script? Let's see. Ability preview loader, yep. Yep, oh, that's what I got. Okay, okay, how do I want to do this? Well, I definitely need that script here. Let's see, ability, what is it called? Ability preview loader. There we go. Need a reference to the prefab, which is here. And we've got the container there. So how do we want to do this? We probably don't want to create an element for literally every last fucking ability we have, unless we really want to ramp up that load time. I think what we should do is just feed in a list of unit abilities and it handles the rest. So let's copy this. We're going to do ability preview, string ability name. We're going to instantiate that prefab. Container transform, correct. Local scale. We don't need the element, we just want the ability preview. Very nice. And then what code do we have? Initialize. Okay, so we have something called Client Resource Manager. That's the scene manager, and it doesn't do anything. Client Resources. No, I want the Resource Manager. Where are you? Resource Manager. Let's see. Public unit ability, get unit ability. String ability name. Return unit prefabs dot first or default x such that x dot unit abilities dot contains x such that x y such that y dot what is going on? dot any. Okay, hold on. Their unit prefab equals unit prefabs. Come on. First or default x such that x dot unit abilities dot contains ability name. Contains no. Abilities dot any y such that y dot ability name equals ability name. Okay. If unit prefab, come on, unit prefab not equal null, return unit prefab dot unit abilities dot first or default x such that x dot unit ability, come on, dot ability name equals ability name. Else return null. Cool. So we'll do that here. Their unit ability equals resource manager dot instance dot get unit ability name. If unit ability not equal null, let's take that. Ability preview. Initialize from unit ability, and we're going to pass in null for the keybind. Let's quickly add some support for handling that. If keybind not equal null, else yeah, I gotta add support for enabling and disabling that little thing. Keybind text that text is this. Okay. So we got the initialize. We don't have, we've got this coming from the customization UI. Okay. So this, we're gonna break this, I'm gonna have to fix it. Public delegate, void, ability preview, clicked event handler, ability preview. Oops. Public event, ability preview, ability preview clicked. Okay. Handler equals ability preview clicked. Handler not null. Handler this. Okay. So we'll listen to that event. Ability preview. Why the fuck does it not? Oh well, spelling helps. Return this, we name this, give that, give this. Okay, we're going to escalate that out. customization UI. Let's go ahead and fix. You know what? No, let's not, because I have some things I need to change there. Anyway, might as well. Okay. Set enabled set ability previews list string ability names, and then for each var ability name in ability names, create ability new ability preview, create ability preview, ability name, ability previews dot add new ability preview. Okay. Now we need a reference to that. Serialized field, ability preview loader, ability preview loader. Oh, still so much to do on this UI, but we're getting there. Getting there. So this needs a reference to that. Okay. Man, it's getting hard to think after so many hours of coding. I think I'll probably do maybe another 15 minutes or so, and then I'll probably call it a day. Okay. Okay, do I have currently selected unit card? Update selected unit type enabled abilities. That's what it should be called, because that's what we refer to on the right side. We're going to have another one for all of the abilities at the top. As if it wasn't complicated enough, right? If currently selected unit card not equal null, their enabled abilities let's see. If currently selected if build currently selected build now equal null. Okay. Public. What am I asking here? So I want to know what abilities are enabled for a given unit type. And this is code I want to reuse. But we want to display Alright, we're going to make a little utility call here. It's unfortunate we have to put this here, but it doesn't really fit anywhere else. Public list string get abilities for unit from build. Get enabled abilities. Unit, and we pass in potentially the build. Build, string, enabled abilities, return enabled abilities. Okay. For each var unit ability and unit abilities, if unit ability is basic ability, enabled abilities add enabled unit ability ability name. Else, if build not equal null, public bool has unit abilities string ability name, turn unit abilities any x such that x equal, unit abilities contains ability name. Okay. If build has unit ability ability name, enabled abilities add unit ability name. That is weird. Okay, build UI. Enabled abilities utility get enable get unit. What is it called? Just did this thing. Is it not public? It is public. Public static. Currently selected unit card. Currently selected build. And we can drop this line here. Ah, shit. Fucking, come on. Fuck off, Steam. unit. Okay, enabled abilities. Ability preview loader dot set or update. No, what the fuck is it called? Public. Set ability previews. Enabled abilities. God. Okay, let's see what happens. We'll log in. Let's right click the warrior. Wow, holy shit, that worked. Wow, what the fuck? That just worked on the first try. Oh my god. Alright, so we click this, then we click him. Okay. Alright, we got a lot more work to do on this, but I am out of brain juice for today. I think I got about 3 or 4 hours on this. This is looking really good, and I'm really happy to have spent this much time today working on this. Let's hope that the rest of the week is equally as productive. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and when we finish this build UI, which, you know, I was hoping to do it by the end of the month, we might be close, we might do it, we might make it. Then we've got a bunch of social media shit to do, and really catch up on that front. And after that, we're finally doing the game server stuff, the scaling, and then we go to testing. So, thanks for watching. See you on.